Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide and block all notifications on Android phone. Okay, to hide and block all notification, we have to activate the do not disturb mode. We have to go to our settings application. This is my setting application, and after the settings application opened, we can go to the notification setting, this one. Okay, and here is the do not disturb feature. You just need to click on it and click on the toggle button to activate the do not disturb mode. Okay, and now the do not disturb mode has been activated. If you want to hide all your notification, you can click on hide notifications right here, and you can click on this toggle button to activate it. Okay, you can also add exception during the do not disturb mode. You can click on the allowed during do not disturb right here. You can allow calls and messages or app notification. I mean the specific app notification. You can add exception right here for the certain app, and you can also add exception for alarms and sounds. It's up to you. You can customize it as you want. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can hide and block all notification on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.